Got the wings seasoned with some salt and pepper. Doing indirect cooking on the big green egg. Probably right around 400 degrees or so. Should take about 45 minutes or so. And after about 20 minutes, I like to flip the wings over. Alright, got about another 10-15 minutes or so, and we'll put some sauce on them. And we'll get the potatoes going on the Blackstone in the meantime. Alright, we got the Blackstone griddle on high heat. It's been heating up for a little while now. Throw down a little oil. We've got regular potatoes here, and we've got some sweet potatoes. To this, we'll add a little bit more oil here. And a little salt and pepper. Alright, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes here, so we're going to pull the wings off and sauce them up here. And we'll throw the wings back on here for a few more minutes. Meanwhile, we got our fries going over here on the Blackstone, so we'll give these a turn. Maybe add a little bit more oil to them here. Turn the heat down just a little bit. Like I said, we'll add a little bit more oil here too. Once the wings have been back on there for a few minutes, I do like to pull them back off and sauce them a second time. Throw them back on here just for a few more minutes. Alright, so our fries are just about done here. Probably going to pull them off. Go ahead and turn the heat off and get them on a plate. And then we'll get the wings off of the grill and we should be good. Alright, so we got the fries off and now I think the wings should be good, so we'll pull them off.